Hi, I'm Aya Beldi, one of the founders at Sothority, an AI brand tracker that can track your brand mentions on ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and many other AIs. It tells you basically how you rank inside ChatGPT. And today I want to take this opportunity to explain to you what is AI SEO and how does generative engine optimization actually works. So traditional SEO specialists were always perfecting their keyword strategies, link building campaigns. Actually, 13% of all queries now trigger AI overview. I think this is the last update from March, which was only 6% in January. So you can see how the AI overviews, the AI chats are taking over. And this is not just another algorithm update, it's actually a fundamental transformation on how information is discovered. And the reality is that ChatGPT is already ranking as the fifth most visited site globally, with nearly 5 billion visits per month. Like, that's insane. Like, only 47% of marketers are actually starting to look at AI SEO. And this is really low because everyone needs to be looking at this. So, while a lot of businesses are still unprepared for this change and they are still insisting that, yeah, we'll put all our money on paid or SEO, I think this is your sign to start looking at this. And hey, if you're watching this video, you've already made the first step. So this video is going to be a comprehensive guide that will explain everything about AI SEO. I mean, everything in a surface level, but will give you enough information to get started, and about generative engine optimization, explaining how you can implement it effectively. So if you're just looking for the basics or you want to develop a strategy, you'll discover how to optimize for both traditional search engines and the AI-powered platforms that we are using now. So AI SEO basically is visibility in AI-powered platforms through featured snippet targeting or question-focused structure. So basically you ask a prompt, you get an answer. What's the best SaaS tool that I can use for small businesses? The answer you get, if it's not your company, you should get better at AI SEO. So what makes AI SEO different? What are the different things we use for that? So traditional SEO focuses primarily on ranking websites in search engine results, but AI SEO obviously does that in when generating direct answers, summaries, recommendations. And AI for SEO combines this concept using machine learning algorithms and data analysis to enhance the SEO practices in innovative ways. So basically, still some of the tactics that you use for traditional SEO, you're going to use here, but this is more of a revamp. So one of the most important thing is that a lot of people, when they're so the first thing is people trust AI more. And the key characteristics of AI SEO is that first, if the engine is using real-time search, then the updates can get implemented much faster. It can have predictive capabilities, so it can know if a customer will ever want your product based on their personality, their behavior, this and that. So there is a lot more data to get from that. So how does it work? How does generative engine optimization work? So generative engines, they basically gather a lot of data and they go through it to provide concise, comprehensive response to user queries. They use advanced machine learning models that understand and process natural language. So these engines, they deliver relevant and contextually rich answers. So the process here can actually be broken into 5 different key steps. The first one that goes into this is data collection. The engine gathers huge amounts of data from various sources to create a comprehensive knowledge base. And then we go into query processing. Query processing is basically an AI analyzes the user question for intent, context, and semantic meaning. So once it does that, it goes to information synthesis. So multiple sources are combined to create a comprehensive response. And then it generates the answers. It creates a conversational, human-ish, I would say, because like I really hate the no fluff, empower, unlock, and all those words that GPTs and AIs and LMs write. But hey. And the last one, which is new. It didn't exist in previous AIs, but it's source citation. So credible sources are now referenced to support generated answers. So here's the main difference when implementing it. So traditional SEO, it has like basically keyword matching and density, backlink quantity and authority, page speed and technical optimization, and obviously the SERP ranking. But AI SEO on the other side, it focuses on semantic understanding and context, the user intention, and it can predict that, the content quality and comprehensiveness, and the multi-platform visibility. And it focuses on one more thing, which is super important, the clarity. When you write a blog and you want it to be optimized for generative engines, you have to use simple, direct language that AI can easily interpret. The other thing is structure. You have to organize your content with proper headline, list, and easy points that can be easily extracted. The other one is authority. Authority is still a big thing, but this is not in terms of, yeah, you have to be included in this source and then you'll get mentioned. Not the backlink kind of strategy, but more being mentioned along other main things. So comparison blogs go a long way. So for example, if you're, I don't know, if you're a phone brand, let's say, if you're a new brand called Plant of phones, if the word plant is constantly mentioned close to iPhone, Samsung, then your authority grows from there because ChatGPT or other LLMs think, oh, if they're constantly mentioned along these big names, they must be onto something, they must be good. So that's the other main thing. In the next video, we're going to talk about how AI search engines process and rank the content. So drop a follow. We'll always share educational knowledge that can help improve your search engine optimization work. And check our tracker. It's at sothority.ai.